children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. You should listen your parents' words. Look at online classes. Regularly you watch in the online classes. Now look at this 7th class, 11th lesson, New Kings and Kingdoms. What is our lesson name? New Kings and Kingdoms. Look at this lesson number 11. Many new dynasties emerged after the 7th to 12th centuries. Rashtrakutas, Maharashtra and Karnataka and Deccan Plateau in AP. Second one, Gurjara Pratihara, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. Palas, Bengal means West Bengal, Bangladesh. Chola Kingdom, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Chahmanas, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. The emergence of new dynasties. The emergence of new dynasties. By the 7th century, there were big landlords or warriors, chiefs in different regions of the subcontinent. Existing kings, subordinates or samantas means the land lord or warrior chief or subordinate of the kings. They were expected to bring gift for their kings or warlords, be present at their courts and provide them with military support. As Samantas gained power and wealth, they declined themselves to be Mahasamantas, Mahamandaleshwara, the great of circle or the region. One such instant was that of the Rashtrakutas in the Deccan. Initially, they were subordinate to the Chalukyas of the Karnataka. In the mid-8th century, Dantidurga of Rashtrakutas chief overthrew his Chalukyas, overlord and performed ritual called Hiranyagarbha. What is the meaning of Hiranyagarbha? Literally, the golden womb. About Dantidurga, he was the founder of the Rashtrakuta Empire in Manyaketa. His capital was based on Gulbarga and region of Karnataka. His successor was Uncle Krishna I. He expected extend his kingdom to all the Karnataka. He born in 735 AD. He died in 750 AD. In Ellora caves. When this ritual was performed with the help of Brahmins, it was throughout the lead to the rebirth of the sacrifice as a Kshatriya, even he was not one by birth. The Gurjara Pratihara Harichandra is the largest legendary Indian king of the Ikshvaka dynasties. The Gurjara Pratihara dynasty was an imperial power during the last classical period on the Indian subcontinent that ruled much of the northern India from the mid-8th century to 11th century. They ruled first at Ujjaini and later at the Kanuj. Capital is the Kanuj city. Language they spoke in Sanskrit or Prakrit language. Were Brahmins who gave up their traditionally professions took arms, successfully establishing kingdoms in the Karnataka and Rajasthan. Prashasti and land grants. Prashasti means Puraskar. Invocation, the action of invocation, someone or something is invoked of the ancient power of the call Anish. The invocation part of the inscription and the Prashasti. Prashasti contains details about the ruling family, such as their precedents and the period of which they belong, the person who held a job or office before the current holder. They also contain exaggerated accounts of rulers and their achievements. They are valiant, victorious warriors. These were composed by learned Brahmins who occasionally help in the administration. The achievements of Nagabhatta. Nagabhatta, he ruled the Avanti or Malwa region in the present day. It is belongs to Madhya Pradesh. From his capital at Ujjaini, he may have extended his control over the Gujarat country, and which is including uh, present day in Gujarat, Rajasthan. One of the Prashasti written in Sanskrit and found in Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh. It is described about the exploits of the Nagabhatta, a Pratihara king, as follows. The kings of Andhra, Saindava means Sindh, Vidarbha, part of Maharashtra, and Kalinga means part of Odisha, fell before him even as a prince. He won a war over Chalukyas, the ruler of Kanuj. He defeated the king of Vanga. Vanga means part of Bengal. Anartha means part of Gujarat. Malwa means part of Madhya Pradesh. Kirat means forest people. Turuksha, Turkish people. Vasta, Mastya, it is both kingdom in North India. This is a set of copper plates recognized the grant of land made by ruler in the 19th century, written partially in Sanskrit and partly in Tamil. The region holding the plates together is secured with the royal seal is indicated that this is an authentic documents, undisputed origin, and a copy of genuine. Kings often rewarded Brahmins by grants of land. These were recorded on copper plates, which were given to those who received the land. In the 12th century, a long Sanskrit poem contained the history of the king who ruled over Kashmir was composed by an author named Kalhan. Kalhan, a Kashmir, was the author of the Rajasthani Rajtarangani as account of the history of the Kashmir. He wrote the work in Sanskrit between 11th 48 and 11th 49. He used a variety of sources including inscription, documents, eyewitnesses, accounts, and earlier histories to wrote his account. Unlike the writers as Prashasti, he was often critical about rulers and their policies. In this chapter, we explained about Prashasti and the grants the land. So they are explaining about the achievement of Nagabhatta. It is copper plates. Next class we want to continue this lesson. Okay, thank you children.